Hello learners. Welcome back to Lighthouse Alchemy, your guide to mastering ERP with clarity and confidence. In our previous video, we understood how incoming quality control helps organizations verify the quality of materials received from suppliers. Today, we'll move to the next important stage of quality management. Outgoing quality control, also known as outgoing QC. Let's understand why quality checks are equally important before products are dispatched to customers. Section 1. What is outgoing QC? Once production is completed and the finished goods are ready for dispatch, organizations need to ensure that the products being sent to customers meet the required quality standards. This final quality verification process before dispatch is known as outgoing quality control. The objective is simple. Before goods leave the organization, their quality should be verified and documented. Section 2. Why is outgoing QC important? Imagine a customer receives a product that does not meet the promised specifications. Even if production was completed successfully, poor quality at dispatch can result in customer complaints, product returns, loss of trust, additional costs. That's why organizations perform a final quality inspection before dispatching goods. Outgoing QC acts as the last quality checkpoint before the material reaches the customer. Section 3. How does outgoing QC work? Let's understand the process step by step. Step 1. Finished goods ready for dispatch after production and packing activities are completed. Goods are prepared for delivery to the customer. Step 2. Quality inspection. Before dispatch, the quality team checks the material against predefined quality parameters. The system compares actual test results with the required standards and specifications. Step 3. Record test results. The inspection results are recorded in the ERP system. This creates a quality record that can be referred to whenever required. Step 4. Verify quality status. Based on the recorded results, the organization can determine whether the material meets the required standards. If the quality is acceptable, the dispatch process can continue. If issues are identified, corrective action can be taken before the goods leave the premises. Section 4. What is a test certificate? One of the most important outputs of outgoing QC is the test certificate. A test certificate is a document that provides evidence that the product has been tested and meets the required quality standards. It may contain product details, quality parameters, test results, inspection information, quality confirmation. This certificate is often shared with customers as proof of quality compliance. Section 5. Business benefits. Outgoing QC helps organizations deliver quality products to customers, reduce customer complaints, improve customer confidence, maintain product quality records, support compliance and quality standards, generate test certificates for dispatches. Section 6. Real-world example. Let's take a practical example. Suppose a company manufactures steel products and receives an order from a customer. Before dispatch, 1. Finished goods are prepared. 2. Quality inspection is performed. 3. Test results are recorded. 4. Quality standards are verified. 5. A test certificate is generated. 6. Goods are dispatched to the customer. This ensures that the customer receives both the product and documented proof of its quality. Section 7. Summary and what's next? What is outgoing quality control? Why quality verification before dispatch is important? How outgoing QC works? Importance of test certificates. Benefits for organizations and customers. Outgoing QC serves as the final quality checkpoint before goods reach the customer, helping organizations maintain trust, consistency, and product quality. If this video helped you understand the fundamentals of outgoing quality control, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. We're always here to help. In our next video, we'll explore production quality control and understand how quality is monitored during the manufacturing process itself. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and let Lighthouse ERP be your partner in business excellence.